This is Vastavikta Raj and welcome to Sunbeam Convent School. Today we are going to read the modern method of irrigation. That means a very efficient method of irrigation, that is sprinkler irrigation and drip irrigation. That all the drawbacks are removed in these two methods. This is modern method of irrigation, sprinkler irrigation. Here you can see a pipe and here you can see the nozzle. And here this is water. Although the picture is not clear, I will explain you here. Okay. Sprinkler irrigation is more useful on uneven land where sufficient water is not available. Uneven land surface. That means the land is not totally plain, uneven land surface. This sprinkler irrigation is very efficient. A sprinkler irrigation consists of a pipe. Okay, suppose this is the pipe. Sprinkler irrigation consists of a pipe and having rotating nozzle on the top. Suppose this is a nozzle. It has rotating nozzle on the top, which are joined to main pipeline at regular intervals. See, it is joined to main pipeline, and when water is allowed to flow through the main pipe under pressure with the help of pump, the water is kept from the rotating nozzle and get sprinkled on the crops. See, when water is pumped into this pipe, then the nozzle starts rotating. This pump allows the nozzle to rotate and the water is distributed evenly on uneven surface and it appears as raining. It is sprinkler irrigation. Sprinkler irrigation are very useful because it irrigates the field evenly. Even though the field is uneven, but irrigation is done evenly. It appears to be raining. It consists of a perpendicular pipe having rotating nozzle at the top, which are joined to main pipeline at regular interval. Now drip irrigation. It is the most useful method, most important method of irrigation, because in this method water falls drop by drop from a pipe just at the position of roots of the plant. This is called drip irrigation. A pipeline is used in the plants and water is allowed to fall directly at the root of plant drop by drop, and hence the name drip irrigation. Water is allowed to fall drop by drop, no wastage of water, and very sufficient amount of water, very less amount of water is sufficient to irrigate the whole field. Plant is also getting water, so it is the most useful method. It is called drip irrigation. It is the best method of watering fruit plants, gardens and trees. This is most expensive method of irrigation because extensive pipelines are used, but it is most useful also, best. It minimizes wastage of water. Water being a very valuable resource. It was renewable, but nowadays it is becoming non-renewable because of wastage, because of unjustified use. Therefore, to minimize the use of water, drip irrigation is used because it allows the water to fall drop by drop, and it is used for watering fruit plants, gardens and trees. It is useful in those places where there is shortage of water, but plants need water. So in that place where there is shortage of water, where water is available in a small quantity, there it can be used, and it is very, very useful, but it is expensive also. Now another activity is weeding. Okay, we shall be learning this in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.